Okay, so hey guys, I just made this really cool slime. You should download this game. I forgot to turn my mic on, so I had to do a voiceover on YouTube Create. But we're gonna make another slime, okay? Okay, so
awesome! Time to open my first pack of the day.
I'm so sorry.
We've got a Pikachu! Oh my gosh, my fave, Squirtle! This is so cool! Oh, look at this! If you move it around, it has a sweet 3D effect. It looks like fire's coming out of the card. If you like collecting Pokemon trading cards, you've got to download Pokemon TCG Pocket. You'll get 2 packs to open every day for free, so go ahead and show me what
okay, finally, the episode. The ad. You're choosing the slime type? Did I hear y'all just say you want this one? Yes, I did. It's a sandy texture. Let's dye it. I'll let you guys choose. Did I hear you say none? None. Now, I'll let you choose the decorations. Did I hear stars? Stars? And we've almost finished the slime. It's almost finished. Now let's pick a circle. It's ready to play. And I think I'm going to make one more slime, okay? So I'm making another slime. Oops, didn't mean to click that. I didn't know it cost so many. Okay, let's make our next slime. Okay.
Slime on your phone. Let's try to make mermaid slime. Let's start with glitter slime. Now, let's color it with neon blue.
Choose the color.
Now, let's add some decorations.
That's not actually what it likes to do, but it's showing you not what it likes to do.
Done. Super Slime Simulator. Download now for free.
Yeah, let's make our new slime. Let's make us a new slime. Play free. Let's make us a new slime. Wait for this ad to be over. I hate freaking ads. Ads are the worst. Get rid of this ad. Thank you. Okay, let's create another slime. Let's do a clear base. I'm gonna do a clear base. Okay, adding the clear base in there. Okay. Now let's add some blue color in. Yeah, that looks good. We have to get it super dark. Super dark. And then I think we're gonna buy those little, watch a video for those little blue, purple, and pink charms.
Just buy those unicorns. Like, yeah.
Sorry about that.
Soulful AI girlfriend.
Ratty brother. And I don't want you
And
to
go.
watch this ad. Okay, so, yeah.
Yeah, come and get me if you want.
So, yeah.
Come and get me if you want me.
So, yeah, I hate ads. They're so bad. They're so bad. Sorry about my annoying brother. He keeps interfering, so you can't hear me very well. But yeah. So we're decorating the slime, putting a bunch of blue foam beads. Blue, pink, and purple foam beads. Playing with it. It's so fun. But anyways, I have to say bye soon. So yeah. I'm gonna have to say bye in a bit. So yeah. Sorry about that. Yep.